Okay, welcome to the instructional video on how to change out a palm sander and cut sandpaper for the palm sander. So this is a palm sander, and this is actually one that has a piece of sandpaper like broken in it. And we got to take this one out. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this guy out. It's pretty simple. We're just going to take it, rip it right out. And you'll see 3 holes in there. And there's a reason there's 3 holes. It's because inside you'll see 3 nails that hold the sandpaper in there. So we're going to be putting them in for your use. It's pretty simple on how to do this. So you take a piece of sandpaper, and if you don't know what the sandpaper is, you just look on the back and it tells you what grit it is. And you can see there's 80 grit, 100 grit, 150 grit. 80 is the roughest, so we're going to be starting with 80 today. What we'll be doing is take the sandpaper and you want to leave it as landscape. This is portrait and this is landscape. So once we have it landscape, we're going to take the sandpaper and just fold it over. Once you have a nice little fold in the middle there, you're going to take both ends and fold them into the middle. Now that we have it all folded together, we've got, believe it or not, we have 4 strips, 4 different strips. So we can just, usually you could take a scissor and you can kind of cut it if you want, but with 80 grit, sometimes it just folds nice enough that it just rips right off. And when you have your strips, you're going to take the 3 that you're not using and put them into the container. And then you're going to take the one that you are using and you're going to put it on a palm sander for you. So you'll lift up the edge of the palm sander so that the nails are showing. You're going to take the sandpaper while it's up and slide it in, but do not press it down yet. Make sure that when you press it, when you have it set up, that it's squared up with your palm sander. Once you get it squared up, press it down. The nails will go through the sandpaper. It'll hold it. You fold it over. You lift up the other side and you slide that sandpaper in as far as you can go and press it down again. And now we have the palm sander's got the sandpaper on it that we need. Easy as can be.